Office Apps was introduced in 2013 and gives the user the ability to add custom applications, custom widgets, a certain bit of functionality that you can add into your Excel document. These applications are pre-designed and fit for a specific purpose. To insert an Office app, let's start by just clicking on the Office app button. In order to be able to download and pay for certain apps, you will need a Microsoft account. We're already logged in under the Learning Fever account. As you can see, there's a wide variety of different applications within the Office app store. We have things such as Excel tutorials, different graph packages, the ability to add waterfall charts, and a variety of some more silly and some more serious applications. Let's have a look at one of the most powerful apps within the App Store. That is the Bing Maps. To add it to my document, I'm going to click on it. I double click and the new map is added to my Excel sheet. The Bing Map provides not only mapping functionality, but it also allows me to graph data into my Bing Map. So for example, here I have the ability to insert sample data, and this will simply get me started. Unfortunately, the data has been inserted behind my map, but I can just move my map aside and I can find the data behind it. And here we can see we have some data relating to different states within the United States. Any data that is changed or added within these two columns will be reflected on the map. I can choose to modify the sample data provided by Microsoft, or I can use my own data. I have a variety of different settings. I can choose the way that the map is displayed, and I can change the way the data is displayed, and customizing the colors in various different ways. I can also apply filters and remove certain elements of the data. These Office apps will have a huge variety and complexity, each one of them. Each one of these Office apps provides a variety of functionality and has many different settings, so we cannot cover in detail every single app within the Office App Store. It is a question for you to investigate the different apps that are within the Office App Store and find any that are appropriate to your needs. I have also found another app of interest to me, which is a Gauge app. This provides simple functionality for measuring a couple of variables and puts them on a simple gauge. So go ahead, open a sheet and start inserting different Office apps.